Elwyn-Edwards is known in Wales because of a song called Mae Hiraeth yn y môr, which means there's longing in the ocean. But it's sort of her biggest piece. It comes from a song cycle called Caneuon y Tri Aderyn, the songs of the three birds. And that is sung often, but the rest of her music isn't so well known.
With solace and gladness, much mirth and no madness, oh good and no badness. So joyously, so maidenly, so womanly and meaning in everything, far passing.
Dilys is known for her beautiful naturistic, landscapey, beautiful filigree music. I like the idea of the sort of the greenery and the mountains and the freshness. But there's one piece that really did jump out, which is the Bird of Christ, which is much more dramatic. I think the strength of that sort of level of composition really comes out in her setting of that poem as well. It's just the most dramatic piece that she's written.